How to edit footer in WordPress. So first go to your WordPress homepage. Next is just hover your mouse over appearance. Then just click on customize. Next is click on use site editor. Okay, now we just wait for it to load. Okay, now after this, scroll down, just click on your footer here. Click on footer here again. Okay, now just click on edit. Now you can use any of the templates here. For example, I'll use this one. So if you just want to edit this, you can edit it. So for example, I want to add infinite here, infinite possibilities. Okay, now if you want to edit the square here, the block square, click on settings here. So you can see you can also add your social media links here. Okay, now after you're done customizing your header, your footer, just click on save. You can use a bunch of options here just to edit this one, bunch of templates, bunch of blocks, so you can see. So after customizing all of this, just click on save and you are done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.